How to switch accounts on Survivor.io. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch between accounts onto Survivor.io game. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do once you pull up the application is you can go at the upper left, which is going to be the three lines. Go to settings and then go to account, then choose on feedback. Now from feedback, choose on save issues and choose on I want to start a new game. So unfortunately, Survivor.io does not have a specific button or tool for you to be able to switch between accounts. So as you can see right here, the very first paragraph, what they are trying to tell us is if you would like to start a fresh account or log into a different account, you're going to have to delete the game and try re-downloading it. And after downloading it is to log into the other account. But for you to save time, here's how you can do that easily. So look for the Survivor application on your mobile device. You can tap and hold on the app and choose on I so that you'll be redirected into app info. Under usage, choose on storage. And then from storage, choose on clear data. Again, do not worry because this will not delete the save progress that you have from the previous account. It will just refresh the application and will let you log out. And that's it. That's how you log in to a different account on Survivor.io.